Naghahanap ka ba ng bahay na around 8,000 to 10,000 lang ang monthly near Metro Manila at nasa prime location pa? At guess what? Less than 1 hour drive lang from Alabang. Available pa ito through Pag-ibig Pinasing. Kaya baka ito na ang property na matagal mo nang hinahanap. I'm Pai Garcia Reyes, your home partner under Rise and Shine Realty. Tara, pasukin natin ang bahay. Welcome to Planecrest Phase 2, located in Barangay Pagaspas and Trapiche, Tanawan City. This subdivision offers a strategic location, malapit sa highway at madali ang access papuntang Manila at nearby cities. Bird-type turnover units ang ino-offer dito, which means ikaw mismo ang may freedom to design your own interior. From flooring to paint to cabinets, each unit has provision for 2 to 3 bedrooms. Perfect para sa starting families or even OFWs who are looking for a smart investment. Ang maganda pa dito, you're surrounded by key establishments just a few minutes away at may schools like La Consolacion College and Tanawan Institute. Hospitals such as CP Reyes Hospital plus shopping spots like SM Santo Tomas, SNR, Walter Mart, and public markets. Malapit din ito sa Star Tollway kaya very convenient kung papasok ka sa Metro Manila or traveling to nearby provinces. Plus, complete amenities are available such as clubhouse, basketball court, secured entrance gate, guardhouse, and concrete roads to ensure a safe and organized community. The best part, Pag-ibig accredited ito, up to 30 years to pay kaya abot kaya sa monthly budget. So kung matagal mo ng pangarap ang sariling bahay, this is your sign. Message us today for a pre-site tripping. Limited units lang ang available, kaya huwag palampasin. Secure your future home at Planecrest Phase 2 Tanawan. Reserve now for just 5,000 and start your journey to owning your dream home. That's it for today's vlog. Tara, simulan natin step 1 para magkaroon ka ng sarili mong bahay. Again, I am Pai Garcia Reyes, your home partner under Rise and Shine Realty. Bye!